Hello, and welcome to Everyday English with Sarah. I'm Sarah, and in this podcast, we talk about simple topics to help you learn English. Today, I will take you through my day, from the moment I wake up until I go to bed. At the end, I'll also share some useful words and phrases to help you improve your vocabulary. Let's get started. A good day starts with a good morning. I wake up at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch and take a deep breath. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I make breakfast. I usually eat eggs and toast with a cup of tea. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. At 8 a.m., I leave my house and go to work. I take the bus and listen to music on the way. Sometimes I read a book. When I arrive at work, I check my emails and start my tasks. At 1 p.m., I take a lunch break. I eat a sandwich and drink water. Lunch is a good time to relax and talk to my colleagues. At 5 p.m., I finish work and go home. I like to walk for a few minutes before I enter my house. Walking helps me feel fresh. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes and rest for a bit. Then I eat dinner with my family. We talk and share stories about our day. In the evening, I watch a movie or read a book. Sometimes I practice English by listening to a podcast. At 10:30 p.m., I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth, check my phone for a few minutes, and then turn off the lights. A good night's sleep helps me feel ready for the next day. Now, let's review some useful words. Energy is the power to do things. When I eat a good breakfast, I have more energy for the day. Relax means to rest and feel calm. After work, I like to relax by watching a movie. Colleagues are the people you work with. At lunchtime, I enjoy talking to my colleagues. Fresh means feeling new and awake. A short walk makes me feel fresh after a long day. Comfortable is when something feels good and relaxing. My home is very comfortable and I feel happy there. Try using these words in your daily life. A good day is about simple moments, morning routines, work, food, and rest. Every day is a chance to learn and grow. Thank you for listening to Everyday English with Sarah. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.